What's up, Average Dad fans? Welcome back to another video, and this one is all about the Honor Magic V6 Global. Yes, the UK version of the Honor Magic V6 Global is now live. In this video, I'm going to break down the full pricing structure, and of course, for you international viewers, the Average Dad Tech Store also has you covered. Let's go! So yes, the full embargo has now been lifted. You are going to be flooded with reviews, impressions, pricing, everything through YouTube and social media and in all of your favourite media outlets. Well, your Average Dad has you covered as well. If you are in the UK, and I've said this when I reviewed the V6 Global Hong Kong version, if you're in the UK, you are best buying from the UK Honor website because you get 2 years of warranty and some free gifts. We all love a free goodie. Now, there is one caveat I have to talk about, and that's the actual price. On the Honor UK website, you will see the price is £1,999. And for those paying attention, that's £500 more than the Average Dad Tech Store. But there is an early bird voucher for £500 off. So that brings it in line with the same price as my store. So as I mentioned, hold off UK viewers, wait for Honor UK. Because for that £1,500 with the voucher off, you get numerous gifts and you actually get a choice. Honor, for the first time that I have ever known, are doing a business essentials package and an entertainment package. So for £1,499, you get the 1/2 terabyte V6 Global, and we'll talk about storage in a second as well. You also get, with the business package, the stylus pen, free, the Note tablet, free, and earbuds, free. That's pretty goddamn impressive, especially when you consider, and I'm sure you all know this by now, the Honor Magic V6 might be the best foldable that's ever lived. It's the most durable, the thinnest, the lightest, arguably the best cameras, until the X Fold 6 was just released in China last week, the biggest battery on any foldable phone. It's an absolute beast. Like, literally, this thing has pulled a plane using its hinge. It's truly incredible. So the fact that you're getting this alone for £1,500 is incredible. Adding in the stylus, a tablet and earbuds, yeah, truly, truly impressive from Honor. But it doesn't stop there, because if you don't want the business essentials package, you can go for the entertainment free gift package, which is the phone, the Honor Magic Projector Air Pro, I believe they're calling it. I have it somewhere. I'll be bringing out a review on that soon as well. And the earbuds. Headphones, a projector, and the phone for £1,499. Folks, that can't be beaten if you live in the UK. Now, I mentioned I would talk about the storage, and as I have informed a few people already while not breaching any embargoes through the store, I wasn't sure that the 1 terabyte version would come globally, and it's been confirmed there is no 1 terabyte version of the Global V6. For most people, it doesn't really matter. 1/2 terabyte, especially with cloud storage these days, is enough. However, if you are looking for the 1 terabyte version of the V6 Global, the average dad tech store has you covered. Yes, £1,699 in stock, shipping next day. And if you are keen-eyed, you will know that we have a discount code that will get you an extra £51 off that price, bringing it to less than £1,650 for the 1TB global version. So, that's your full pricing breakdown from Honor UK and a little plug for my store. I cannot reiterate enough. Honor continue to push the boundaries in terms of their technology, research, development, but also in terms of pricing. So for all those people waiting for the Samsung Z Fold 8 or the Z Fold 8 Wide, why? Why are you doing it? You're buying a substandard foldable phone for more money. It just doesn't make sense to me. And that's not a slam at Samsung directly, because I include Apple in this. The Honor Magic V6 will be roughly £700 cheaper than the iPhone Fold. But you and I all know that the iPhone Fold will eclipse this in terms of sales. It just doesn't make sense. But hey ho, Honor are trying their very best to bring more and more customers, and I salute them for it. You have made arguably the best foldable phone of the year. Caveat being the X Fold 6 just arrived yesterday in my hands, and it's pretty goddamn good too. So that is your full breakdown of pricing, where you can buy it. Links for Honor UK are in the description. Shout out to Honor for sending this over. They've given me no scripts in any reviews I've ever done, first impressions, this video. I'm sure they'll be okay with me mentioning my store and the Vivo X Fold 6. They will also be okay with my next video, the Honor Magic V6 versus the Vivo X Fold 6. So if you haven't already, smash subscribe. Enjoy all the content, watch as much as you can from all the different creators on this phone. You will not be disappointed. And until next time.